Hello students, today we will learn subject English. Unit 1, lesson number 1.3 in time of silver rain. The poem is written by the poet Langston Hughes. In this poem, the poet gives us message that the rain brings beauty and happiness all around. First, see the poem. First line refers to the title. The first line is given. This first line, look here, I have underlined the first line. In the time of rain, silver rain. The poet begins the poem with the title itself and describes the rain as a silver rain. Can you tell me why is the poet calling rain as a silver rain? Can anyone say me why the poet is calling the rain as a silver rain? Because he remembers the proverb, every cloud has a silver lining, or when the raindrops shines, they look silver in color. Next, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grass grows. What does this stanza means? Means the poet says that when it starts raining, the earth has new life again, because it rains after the harsh summer season. All of you know there are 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy. There are 3 seasons in our India: summer, winter, rainy. So after summer season, after hot days, it rains. So that is given that it rains after the harsh summer season. So when it rains, the earth smiling full of life. There is a new life in the form of green grass growing. Understood? Now, what does the second stanza means? Look here. And flowers lift their heads, and over all the plains the wonder spreads. Means what? All of you have seen that when the rains comes, the flowers blossoms, the flowers blooms, the flowers if there is no flowers in the summer season, you see that there are no flowers, nothing. But when it rains, many flowers we are seen in the different places. On the different plants, there are different types of new flowers comes. Everywhere there is a greenery. We can see everywhere there is a greenery, and it is a very beautiful scene to look all around. Of life. Next, of life means what? It is a wonderful and beautiful sights as far as eyes can see. Earth is full of life and happy. Means what? All around, as I said, that all around there is a greenery. We can see many flowers, many types of trees, many type of grass. All over there is a greenery, and the earth looks full of life and happy.